Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Meghalaya Youth Congress Committee MYCC hagaski balang kala Pynlong yaga Executive Committee banyakren nakabenta ban Pynlong yaga sing bat banyakren nakimat bakongsan ki Ktah iki Samla gajila bat yaga Jingïalang ka sing haki benai banwan hagani Jingïalang la ringkat unong pet yaga Indian Youth Congress Umanish Sharma bat Secretary IYC Meghalaya Usamrat Keshari Jena ringkat berkinong yalam ka sing hagajila berkinong kitkam Habagran shikilat patai kubor hadian ke Jingïalang ujena ulaong bagajing temu bahakmat jongan ke Jingïalang kalong nak bentaban Pynlong ya ke parti bat ban kentiu shu yakirukom perkhat kaseng nak benta ki Samla ulaong ba kami Meghalaya kalamat ya bun ki jing'e bagentup ke jing kerduk kam ki jingroi ki jing di drong kabala Pynlong ya kaseng Samla ka Kongres ban pet benya ya ke Jinglong jingman haki kerdan jong ki district bat ban thawi ki buit trei kam haki benai banwan Habagran halor ke jing thut ke jing Pynlong ya ke exam need bajia dangshan ujena ulaong bahendrungut ki Samla Pule ki la shimno era jingim bat ula kentho ting e ka sarkar namar ke jing sngapjar halor kani ulaong ba om ki menteri ne umenteri rang ba adu ki bandet ki bahaying jong ki Samla Pule bat ula kerpat ki noyalam ba kindet ban jingo yaki ujena ula pentingna ba seng kan yeng bat ki Samla Pule bat maham ting e ada kum kini ki jingja kinja biang hadian habut kaseng kadawaru bau menteri beri Khmih ya kapuli puthi ude ban hiar shukino u president MYCC uba timjim momen ulaong be karukam sinshar hagajila la sinshar da ka buit trekam ka BJP bat kala pulam ban penbet yagajing e ki Samla
There is extended state executive meeting of Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress. In that meeting, our national leader, national in charge, Shri Mycc Sharma ji was here, and our MP Salim ji is here, and our ex-PYC president, ex-minister Janit ji is also here, and our state president and other state executive member also here. The meeting's main purpose was to strengthen the organization, to strengthen our thoughts, to reach with youths our ideology. And in this state, we are facing job issues, we are facing drugs issues. So we just conduct the meeting and review our districts, our organization, and what is the next target in the states. Next 3 months proposed resolution was conducted. First thing is Youth Congress will be the main opposition of this government. We will raise our voice for the youths of Meghalaya, whoever facing any type of issues like drugs is a major problem in Meghalaya. Jobs, there is many vacant posts, but job is not given to the youths. So our main issues is Naukri do nasha nahi. Right now you are seeing NEET. 6 students are hanged themselves, they are suicide. But this government, not a minister, not prime minister, tells anything about them. No one is also reaching their families. This is a bad concept. If you are failed to conduct the exam and after that the students are getting suicide, at least your courtesy is that your social moral should be there to go at least to his family. But our party is with them, and if in the next NEET, if anything is going wrong, then it will be a bad situation in the country. We will stand with the students and we will make whatever the possibilities to sack these ministers and this government.
And as per the Meghalaya's perspective is concerned, we are very much sad to see that our Honorable Chief Minister has not even single out the one voice for the youth of the state. So we are so sorry to say that it's been like more than 2,000 to 3,000 students who has been appearing for the one of the prestigious exam and who is going to be the future, one of the most capable future doctors of this state. So we are very much sorry to say that the head of the state, our chief minister, is being compromised and being deprived by the ideology and suppression of BJP.
Seen by you very soon. I think every month, 3-4 times we will meet to you also, because you are the fourth pillar of the democracy. And when we go with the Gen Z voters in ground, in the field, in the road, then I think we and you always meet in that ground. It is the starting only, and day to day it will be increased. I will be here for work for organization, and I am assure you, madam, we will meet you again.